Good afternoon. My name is Tuuli Ahava, and as Pekka introduced, I come from Nokia. And I'm super privileged to stand on this stage, not because of me or because of Nokia, but because we got all you in. So thanks, warmly welcome also on Nokia's behalf. A couple of weeks back, we had our industry's, the telecom industry's biggest event or conference in Barcelona called Mobile World Conference, and where our industry showcases many things. There were some people from the audience, also from, for example, Connect there. But I decided to pick one video, fresh video from Barcelona, not to show and showcase Nokia as such, but to show you that we care about manufacturing and you guys. So just that type of a topic was on our agenda. I love to talk, but this time I let the pictures talk for you for a little while, and then we come back. Please enjoy.
Consumer demand for products are variable in terms of quantity and type. This means manufacturing must be flexible enough to accommodate these requirements. A flexible manufacturing system supports human interactions, requires fast, reliable communications to connect production machinery, material handling, and computing systems. Wireless connectivity gives the flexibility to relocate and reconfigure all these systems across the production line. But that's not all it will enable. These connections will happen on a massive scale, with sensors connected throughout the entire production process, to provide real-time monitoring, ensuring seamless continuity of operations. And while it's true that machines, specifically robots, will play an ever-increasing role in our factories, they will be working alongside us humans. Coordination of machines across the production line requires a wireless connection with ultra-low latency and reliability. This reduces product assembly time, increases flexibility, and overall productivity. To increase automation, the real-time control of machines is where 5G will be a game changer for the industrial sector. Ultra-reliable, low-latency connectivity with edge cloud analytics operating at massive scale is essential in creating the safer, flexible, and more efficient manufacturing systems of the future. We are creating an end-to-end network to enable all kinds of industrial applications. Welcome to the fourth industrial revolution, powered by 5G.
It's impossible to share in 1.5 minutes or in 5 minutes what are the possibilities of 5G. And like Erja already said, with 4G, with LTE, and going towards 5G, we can together do a lot. What I anyway decided to do is to refer to many of the speakers earlier today. There was Jukka from Kone showing how the elevators are becoming very human. That's exactly what 5G will be. It's about expanding the human possibilities of technology. I don't love doping, but I really love what Fastens is doing. If you are hiring, let's have a talk. That was partly a joke. And then obviously Erja already showed our own approach from the manufacturing point of view, and then many others, Valmet Automotive, I think that there was a lot to that I totally refer to. Here, though, it's you and your needs, your problems, it's us and our future. So Nokia can enable. Late last year, I was standing on this stage. I made a joke about the middle-aged reality TV rapper called Honey G. At that time, I made the audience wait for me for 5G. Today, save your energy. I would like to use that energy in the afternoon with you. And I actually thought that honey is not the bad word for what we as Nokia could bring on the table. Honey is something sweet, it's sticky, it gives you energy, it's healthy. You know, maybe we could imagine that going towards 5G, maybe we could be the honey in around and sticking us together. We make an ecosystem, we make ecosystems. I loved a lot what my colleague Erja said. Let's do it well in Finland, but that's not enough. I think that we all are aiming for business eventually. Why not playing well on our home ground, but also let's not forget the rest of the world and make everything successful. Don't miss some of the demos, all of the demos, the stands, and please, if you have a hint of idea in your head, if you want to have a relaxed innovation camp with me, please join the session around 5G starting at 12:45 or something like that. Once again, on Nokia's behalf, I'm super happy to have you here, and I'm privileged to be here myself. So let's have a interactive, let's walk the talk in the afternoon. Thank you.